Hi, this is Scoggett, and today's video is a quick little cooking tip. And what it's pertaining to is how to keep guacamole from turning brown. I know it was really frustrating for me because I'd make some guacamole for like a party, and I'd have some left over, and I'd be like, man, I wish there was a way I could save this and have it the next day. But unfortunately, when you try to store it in the fridge, you can put the pits in it, you can put lime juice on it, still's going to turn brown on you. So I'm going to show you a little tip what I found out on how to keep guacamole fresh and from turning brown. I'll go ahead and show you. It's real simple. What I've got here is some guacamole what I made yesterday, and I wanted to save it. So what I did is put it in this container, and what I did is mashed it down and made it like got most of the air out of it, and then I poured water on top of it. About a half an inch high, and put it in this container with a tight fitting lid. And I'm going to show you how this come out. What I'm going to do is pour this water off of it. Get rid of the excess water. I know it sounded kind of nasty putting water in it, but what you do is you pour that off. I got me a fork here, and as you can see, there's no brown spots. And then what you do is you just mix it up. And as you can see right there, there's no browning of it. The guacamole is still fresh, and it's just so simple to do. I mean, that's how you keep guacamole fresh and from turning brown. And thought I'd share this little tip with you. And if you ever got frustrated with the guacamole turning brown, not being able to save it, then this works. It's the best method I've found out. And here's something else: is you can make this in advance. Like, say you're having a party, you can make the guacamole up to a day or two in advance, and store it in the refrigerator with the water, and then just pour the excess water off whenever you have it in your party. Mix it up, and it's good as the day it was made. This is Scoggett. I appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. I hope this tip was helpful for you. And stay safe out there. And y'all take care.